I think it's really important that men and couples understand how sperm are produced. Sperm are produced in the testicles, and sperm start to be produced from about age 13 or 14. The testicles are in the scrotum, which hangs outside the body, because sperm production needs to occur at a lower temperature than body temperature, just by 1 or 2 degrees. The process of sperm production takes about 3 months, and I think that's really important for men to understand, because if they're going to make a change to their lifestyle, they need to think of a change over many months, rather than believing that something that they give up on Saturday will have changed their sperm production or improved it by Monday. The 3-month sperm production process involves many different processes, both to build sperm, make them able to swim, and give them the properties in order to bind to the egg. And then when they exit the sperm production factory, as it were, they're then stored until the point of ejaculation. And the optimum time of storage is usually just 2 or 3 days. Many men think that if they don't ejaculate for a long period of time, that when they next ejaculate, they will ejaculate lots of super sperm. But actually that's not the case. You want to be ejaculating sperm within 2 or 3 days of them leaving the production line.